Here at Norcom, I teach TV production 1, 2, and 3. The overall gist of the class is for students to learn the overall television production process. So we pretty much cover pre-production, post-production, and production. We get behind the camera, filming, proper framing, picture composition, and so forth and so on.
We basically learn, the basic recording, how to record, how to edit, different camera movements, microphones, speakers. We record football games, basketball games. We did the coordination.
They start off with the handy cams, the Sony handy cams, just learning the overall basics of how to operate a camera and again, just get that framing right. And then once we get into the studio, we have our heavy duty studio cameras. We also have a state-of-the-art control room with, a switchboard. We have audio control back there. We have lighting. Students kind of get to dabble in a lot of professional studio equipment as they grow in the program.
I like editing and I like being the anchor for our Drip TV episodes. Reading the script and getting to be myself on the camera, that was fun.
We produce a monthly TV show called Drip TV, and they kind of get to showcase their talents and things that they've learned in the class, and then just, put out something that they're proud of. If they want to be an anchor, if they want to be a reporter, sports caster, weather caster, go out there, create some music videos. There's so many things you could do with this once you get the skills under your belt.
In the future, I want to be a forensics pathologist, part of, local police departments or the FBI. They go out, take pictures of the scene, the bodies. Taking pictures, I can make sure the camera is set up right, the body doesn't look too dark in the camera, too light in the camera.
I do try to take them on field trips. So far, they've gotten to go to 13 News Now. And then this semester, I actually took them to Norfolk State to see Norfolk State's new studio. This is a class where you can take all of those unique skills that you have and actually learn what it takes to turn that into a profession where you can make money. And just see where this career can take you, because there's so many avenues that TV production can help you get to.